Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today is the Crafty Christmas collab put on by Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts, and this is our final week, week 4. Thank you so much to Beth for including me, and be sure to check out the videos by the other participants. The links to those videos will be down below in the description for my video, so you can check them out and see what everybody makes. This is the paper that I've used for this collab. It's My Mind's Eye Comfort and Joy. So if you've been following along, this paper is going to look familiar by now. 48 sheets, and with all the stuff I've made, I still have whole sheets left and a whole bunch of scraps. Lots of stuff. Today, as promised, I made cards. I had scraps to use, and I also had little UFO things. I had these shakers put together. I had some cards started, so I wanted to use them up. First, let's take a look at these. These were all made with the die from My Favorite Things. It's made in the US, and I actually don't know off the top of my head what the name of it is, but it's available on their website and you would love it. It's fun, but it's a project. So I mixed up the papers that I put in, or the combinations. On this one I did these the same as the backing, and I used Tidings of Comfort and Joy down here. And on this one I did the star itself the same as the backing and went with Peace on Earth. And all of these cards have a scrap of some sort of paper on the inside and my stamp on the back. And I like this one where I did Noel and put a gold star on each side. And I have a lot of gold specialty paper on this one. And this one is more calm, but I really like it even without the specialty paper. And you have Peace and Joy, Peace on Earth, and some sparkle and some Peace and Joy. I did this one with the ends the same. I didn't love that, and I won't repeat that again. Here, some darker paper here. It looks very similar to the one. I don't think I did one where I went all the way around the outside with the same paper. Oh, I did on the gold one, and I kind of like it that way too. Super fun. You can mix it up. I have some where I did patterned papers for the borders and some solids. It's like a little jigsaw puzzle to cut all those and put them together. Then I used ephemera from the pack on these and just mixed and matched and glued layers together. Here I cut a tag and then mixed pieces and added a puffy sticker from something else and a bit of ribbon. I had a big tie on there, but I tried to make cards that were very flat because we're not seeing each other and hand gifting things like we would be normally. So I'm trying to make it so that cards can be mailed. Something to keep in mind as you make yours. Here's another one where I mixed and matched some ephemera from this collection and a few things that were laying on the counter. And I really like how this one turned out. Has bits of gold and joy. I like that one. The truck, and again, random stuff from other collections. I don't think that was from this either. And Believe. And these clear acrylic pieces, I just put that on with a little glue dot. It would probably work with Barely Art, but a glue dot, it's not going to pop off. Even if you bend it, you'd be fine. And then I had shakers that I made when I was making covers for journals, and I decided to put these on cards. And I kept these shakers fairly thin because I didn't want them too bulky, which worked out perfect for making cards that would mail nicely. There's no foam or anything behind them. It's just stitched onto paper with tulle on top, and then I glued that layer onto the next one. So these should mail really well and hopefully still be intact when they get where they're going. And this one says, all you need is hot cocoa and warm mittens. And this one just has the reindeer in the back with the glitter and embossing on it. That's a dozen cards for my final episode of the Crafty Christmas collab. Be sure to check out the other collaborators like I mentioned, and I'll actually be back today with another card video, and they're completely different. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.